Hello, everyone. Welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you how to check your internet connection on a PC. Whether you're troubleshooting network issues or just want to verify your connection status, I'll walk you through two quick methods. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Step 1. Start by clicking on the Start button on your taskbar. Step 2. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. Step 3. In the Settings window, find and click on Network and Internet. Step 4. On the left sidebar, click on Ethernet. Step 5. Here you'll see the status of your network connection indicating whether you're connected or not. Step 6. Once you're done, you can close the window. Method 2. Using Control Panel. Step 1. Click on the search box and type Control Panel, then click on it to open. Step 2. In Control Panel, click on Network and Internet. Step 3. In the options that appear, click on Network and Sharing Center. Step 4. Now click on Ethernet to view your connection details. Step 5. The Ethernet status window will display detailed information about your network connection. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.